41.
All right, we're live. Oh, dude, I've got like a stuffed nose.
Sorry.
Thanks for saying sorry. That means a lot.
Well, welcome everybody. It is day 41 of Eat the Elephant RevenueCat Shipathon. And me and Trevor are just working through things to get stuff ready for release. So the app, for those who are new, Eat the Elephant app is a way for you to accomplish the goals that you want to accomplish. You can input the main goal that you want to accomplish and then all of the tasks, all of the little micro tasks that you need to do to accomplish that goal. And then whenever you go to a distracting app, Eat the Elephant will pop up and say, hey, would you rather go do this thing instead of get on this distracting app? So hopefully this app can be helpful in just helping you accomplish your goals and the things that you want to do. And shout out to RevenueCat for doing this Shipathon where me and Trevor have been building every night now for 41 days.
Oh yeah, dude. I'm excited, but I'm also like kind of ready to be done.
Yeah, 60 days. 60 days is a long time. It's going to feel really accomplishing.
Oh yeah. Um, yeah. Let me show you what I've got done.
Okay, my computer just froze. So hopefully we could win and get newer devices.
Oh yeah, dude. Oh, that'd be the dream.
But I can still hear you. So yeah, just talk through what you got done.
Okay. Big thing is that I added a setting for the number of tasks needed to be completed before you can skip. So yeah, the way I did that is I created a task ignore count, and that has either 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 10, or 99. And I have it where it defaults to 0, and you can't update it unless you're a premium user. And then once you do update it, it'll update and save within the app group. So that way we can see it in the um, configuration. Okay, I lost Brett. Sounds like Brett's Wi-Fi isn't doing that good. So I'll just keep going. We'll see if he texts me. Okay, he's hopping on FaceTime. Join. All right, Brett's back, but I don't know if I have his face. I don't have your face anymore. Yeah. Wait, did you update to Mac OS? Yeah. Yeah. Dang. Okay. You got some of your video again?
Here comes my face. And okay, sorry about that. Uh-oh, it's going to happen again.
Oh. I can still see your face. I just
Yeah,
can't see it through FaceTime. Maybe do you want to turn off your video on FaceTime?
no, I can't do anything. The computer is like literally fritzing. I've never seen it do this.
Oh, really?
My phone's going to die.
Okay, I lost bread again. So we'll see what happens. Um, so yeah, this is working. The only issue is that let's see. He's calling back. Okay. Okay, I don't know if they can hear you though. Can you send me your face through your phone? Oh, yikes. Um, sorry guys, we're trying to figure this out. Dang. Um, you could see my screen though, right? No, not through FaceTime. Oh, interesting. How weird. I know, right? Yeah, I'm trying to figure that out. Oh, really? Yeah. Okay, can you see my screen now through FaceTime? Interesting. No worries. Do you want to try like restarting your computer, like yourself? And tell you, while you're doing that, I could just start explaining what I did and stuff because you could see my screen, right? Okay. So I created this task ignore count, which has 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 10, and 99. which allows us to have like the settings. Also, I updated the Xcode 26 because it's now not in beta. So I've been running that. And our app looks fine in liquid glass iOS 26. Like there's no big changes. Most of the stuff we were doing is our own custom views, but we do get like these nice like rounded corners on the list stuff. And also when you're like swiping to delete, it looks a bit different. I could show you, yeah, like yeah, yeah. Do you see that? Like the add child delete. So I'm glad I put labels on everything. Start, complete. Anyways, so yeah, I updated the app group storage to use this stuff. Um, the issue I'm having, and this is something that's weird because it was working for us last night, is I can't pull the task from within the configuration extension. So like I'm having an issue where yeah, when I try to run it, it fails. So, but it was working last night. So I'm going to look at how we had it set up last night. So committed day 40 is working. So we had this stuff. I've been trying to, as part of like, so part of the designs have it where we want to see the number of completed tasks. So 3 out of 5 done. In order to know that 3, we can't just grab the task we need to do. We need to grab like your goal task and then like recurse down through all the tasks to find which ones you've completed today. So I tried to just change it to grab the root task instead. And then because of that, it broke. I don't know why. So instead, I'm going to try to get it back to where we had it. And that's what I was trying to do on my way home from work. Let's try again. No, I switched it up. It was like um so yeah. So before we were just grabbing the task to do, which is the first task that's not done that doesn't have any children, right? So that's like that's the task to do. But instead, I wanted to do where parent equals nil, and that gets us like the top task. That gets us your goal task. So this would be our goal task, and then all you'd have to do from there is grab the first like the we have let's see this in our bottom view. We grab the first not done leave task. That's like kind of like I could just run this function to grab like the task to do. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, I just want to figure this out. So yeah, in the configuration, I'm just gonna have it set up to be what was working last night. and then the shared.
Okay, I did a hard restart and I sent you a link that hopefully works.
Okay. Yeah, let me pull that up. I'll do that. Okay. Yeah, you're on there.
All right,
Sweet, guys. We're back. Back to full power.
let's go.
Okay. So now let's see. Let's see if this works. The other thing that kind of sucks is um, I have to Xcode 26, and for some reason now the blocking of apps doesn't work on the simulators, but it does work on physical device.
Yeah, maybe they just haven't got around to that part yet.
Yeah. But okay, so this is on the iPhone Air. I can update these to be like, oh, 10 tasks. Oh,
Cool.
99. The issue, another issue though, is that I found we can't have another line of text.
Oh, I mean, that's fine.
Okay. And another thing is XO 26. It looks like this is shorter.
Yeah, that's interesting. They swapped the icons.
Yeah, so allow apps after. Like, we should just do a shorter text.
Mm.
But yeah, see, for some reason, like, I've blocked all these apps, but it allows me to do them.
Did you reinstall the app? Did you delete it and reinstall it?
Here, I can try that.
Because the apps might not be the same for some reason. At least in the simulator. I actually like the new screen time API screen better. They
Oh,
cleaned
yeah?
up the buttons and stuff. Yeah.
This one or the other ones?
You'll see it when it pops up, like the new 26 one. And I'm glad it's
Oh,
iOS 26 now. It's going to be so easy to remember.
yeah, see, it's not blocking them. So I've been having to run it on my physical device.
Okay. Yeah, it slows things down a little.
Yeah. Let's see. I think I could still share my screen. There we go. Yeah, I can run it on here. Yeah, see, it blocks it on my physical device, which is nice. Okay, so it is having an issue still where we're seeing this restricted,
Mm-hmm.
which means that something's broken.
We're back to that.
I found that if I run the configuration, then we could see a little bit more info. Yeah, we're getting this fatal error.
Let me read it. Thread 3. Failed to create Swift data container. Swift data error, Swift data error.
So yeah, I was gonna try.
But that's in the catch.
Yeah, so it catches it, but it basically means that we just can't return the, like we can't access the task, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Another thought I had is, like, we're only doing this so we could get the info we need for those views. We could just like manually store it all the time. So what I mean by that is I have this on change of scene phase. Like whenever we go into the background or inactive, this is where I save. And I set this up so the keyboard wouldn't flicker. I have it where it doesn't auto save, but instead only saves when you go to close the app.
Mm.
So I'm thinking here we just also take this root task and we like save the info we need in the app group, and that way we don't have to like create the whole Swift data stuff. We just kind of like populate, we like save what we need, if that makes sense.
Which really all we need is your next task.
Yeah, like
and the path to it.
The text for your next task and like
and its path.
the number of tasks you've completed in the day.
I mean, that would make sense to me. That would just be 3 things.
So yeah, I'm thinking like let's make a new like model to be like shield configuration data. This could be a struct. So yeah, we need the task to do name. We need, what else do we need? Task to do. We need the bar like task path to root description. And we could just store it as a string. Like we could do all the data, like all the manipulation.
It makes sense. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
You know, we need to know if we could start focus mode, which is the if we're pro. So if we're premium, We'll store that. We need the number of tasks completed. Completed today. And then we need a number of incomplete, like var norm of tasks to ignore. Needed to ignore. And then once we have more than that, it'll just say ignore instead.
Okay.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
I think that's all to do. Oh, we want the color. Right?
The theme.
Yeah. So we want to make this codable. Which color is not codable? So I'm going to say selected theme instead, and this will be theme. So we'll use like this, which is a string, so it should be codable. Okay. So now we'll have like a stack let shield configuration data key. So we'll save it into our app group with this key, and we'll just create a couple functions like. We'll have something to save shield configuration data. It'll be kind of like, well, it's kind of like this one. So we're going to save it as data. So we're going to encode our data into like a data type and then save it as data. And then when we need to read it, we'll grab the data out and convert it back into our object. So we save it as data for this key, and we grab the data out from that key, and we try to convert it into the shield configuration data, and then we can return it. So now, I think just within this, we save our model context, but now we should also save shield config data. Except we're going to save like the data for that day, but not for future. Like, say I completed 3 tasks this day that I'm looking at, but then I try to open up an app tomorrow, it should block me.
Yeah.
So maybe I also save like the date.
Whew, yeah, this is tricky. Well, I feel like we're also going to need to run this saving function anytime you complete a task as well. But I guess it can be assumed that it's anytime you close the app because... yeah, I guess it could just be anytime you close the app because you can't go to another app without closing this one.
Yeah. I mean, you could like on iPad, but we don't support iPad yet.
That's true.
But yeah, we could try that. Okay. So now we just need to create this shield configuration data. So the task to do is the first not done leaf task, right?
Yeah.
So that's the name. Like its name is what we do. And I think I'm going to store this as a optional string in case like there are no tasks, like once you've completed all of them. Right.
Yeah, we need to figure out what the app does when you complete them all.
Okay. And then this task path to root description. I think it's this thing. It's this thing we figured out yesterday. Is premium. And you grab it from the environment. The number of tasks completed today. I worked on this. Yeah, I created this function. Number of completed tasks today. So it starts at 0. And if you completed the task you're looking at, then we set it to be 1. And then we loop through all of its children and get the count for those, and then that loops through all of its children, and we just add them all up. So this should return a nice number. So we'll look at the root task, number of completed today, and if there's no root task, then we'll return 0. And the number of tasks we need to ignore, we need to pull that from the preferences manager. Okay. So this should save everything we need. So now instead of having to create a task and do all that, we should be able to get the config data from the app group storage dot load data. And then we could just do like config data dot name and config data dot theme. Subtitle. Start focus mode. Ignore. I'm just going to do ignore. Like, I'm not going to worry about ignore for now.
Okay.
Let's just make sure it works first.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it right on my phone. So it works.
Same thing just happened. Was that old?
What? That was old.
Oh, you didn't refresh build.
Yeah. Yeah, let's try loading these. Okay. So here's the apps running. I'll add a couple more. So look at that, dude. Is that a bug?
I don't know. I'm not seeing what you're seeing. Oh, the keyboard?
A little bit. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, okay, I put a breakpoint here, so when I start to close the app, it hits this breakpoint.
Okay, nice.
Okay, and so we should be able to see some info. So we should be able to see like what the root task is. Swift no data type. So I think it's something weird with the.
It's not finding it again?
It might just be something weird with debugging. I'm just going to continue. And let's hope it worked. Okay. Yeah, see, look, it worked. Test 4, 2, test. I hit start focus mode, opens up this. If I change my theme to be like red, I'll have to subscribe.
Oh, is that text doing that same thing again?
Oh, yeah. It was, is it?
That's some crazy bug in RevenueCat, dude. I've changed that more than once now.
Dang. But yeah, there we go, dude. I changed my theme, and it just works.
Okay, well, while you're in there, we should also make it so when the app closes, it goes to the focus mode screen. It's hard. It's hard.
When you hit start focus mode here.
Yeah, we need some way for them. We need some way to know that is where they came from. Was that?
Yeah.
Because if they just go back to the app, it would be annoying to like never have it on the screen you want.
Yeah, let's try something. Because right now it's opening through this bundle ID, which we can't really pass anything through this, but I am wondering if it's like Like it's opening through that bundle ID, but it thinks it's a link, and I don't think it is. So I added this on open. Let's see. I added in this this thing on open URL, which should, like, if we're opening up the app via URL, we should be able to grab the URL here and like do whatever we want. So I think it looks like when we hit this link and it opens up via the bundle ID, our app doesn't know it's being opened from like a URL.
Right.
So this is where I'm like, is there a way? Right now we're like doing the private API stuff with this open application with bundle ID. My hope would be that there's like some workplace.default dot open URL.
Yeah.
Which I don't know if it would be able to. All right, let's see if this works. That's another function to on open sensitive URL, and maybe this would work.
Okay.
So we did add this URL type. So if we open up like here, I'll go here. Pretty much any link that starts with elephant. And you unblock my apps. So if I open my calendar and add a URL that starts with elephant, :// I. Where'd that go? Then this opens up our app. So, and then
That
yeah,
works.
see how it prints high, like it tells us it opens here.
Yeah. Hmm.
So now the hope is in here we could call dot open sensitive URL and give it an elephant colon slash slash like maybe the task ID at some point we'll give it.
Yeah.
So let's try this now. Oh, doesn't look like it's working.
Yeah. No dice on that one.
Yeah. So for now we might only be able to open up the app and not pass anything in. Because like to our app it just thinks it's being opened like from the home screen.
Yeah. So our app just thinks that it's being tapped open.
Yeah.
Interesting. Is there a function we can use to know when it does get tapped open from the home screen? Like actually? Like on did appear or something? Or would that run in both cases?
Probably run in both cases. But let's see. So yeah, we don't know the difference between the app icon versus LS application workspace. I mean, maybe I wonder if in here let's try this. I wonder if there's like a flag we can set. So when you press the button, I wonder if we could save something to our app group. So I'm trying this, like I'm trying to like just update our selected color to be pink. And if that's the case, it doesn't. Theme is still orange. So we can't like
Right, past something.
interact, which is what they were saying, like we really like shouldn't be able to do anything within here.
Yeah, I'm looking up some other options we have.
Oh yeah, you keep doing that. I'm gonna keep working on ignore button.
This is saying in did finish launching with options. Is that where you have it checking?
No, but that's where this one does. Did finish launching with options.
Yeah, so did finish launching with options in the app delegate. It looks like you'll get an application open with some options or an on open URL.
Yeah, I was using the on open URL.
But inside of the where we're using it,
Should we try that? So yeah, let me get that working.
yeah, I'm pretty sure it's in the app delegate. You add a did finish launching with options.
Okay. So yeah, this is how we add it in our app file. We create an app delegate, and then we set it in the application delegate adapter. So now in here, did finish launching with options. This is what we see. So let me put a breakpoint here, and we could read what the launch options say. So yeah, this launch options is a dictionary of launch options key to any. So I just ran it through Xcode and it stopped here. And let's see. Right now it's nil. So if I continue that, it opened up the app.
Yeah, now open it from a different app.
One of the issues is I just closed the app.
Yeah, that didn't run.
Let me try it like this. Yeah, I'm not sure.
Interesting. Wonder how some of these other apps are starting like a timer or something.
They are.
Or like, you know the hack that people are using to like send a notification?
Yeah.
What if we just send a notification but we don't actually display it?
We could try doing that. Because I think
But
we can
then
read what notifications are.
they don't even have to allow notifications. They can, we wouldn't even have to ask, right? We could just send a notification, right?
I think so. Yeah, I don't know.
We just send a notification that says start focus mode. We don't ever have to deliver it to the user. Because
Yeah,
that was for sure possible.
let's try that.
Right? We saw a lot of people with stuff like that.
Um, yeah, let's figure this out.
Yeah, it looks like you just have the UN user notification center and you just send it.
Okay. Yeah, let's try it. Yeah, I'm just gonna test this really quick though. So zero tasks done. If I change this to be 7, 7 tasks done. If I complete this one, 1 of 7 tasks done.
Awesome.
So I guess yeah. Okay. I still need like. So if it's beneath, we shouldn't allow them to even ignore, huh?
What do you mean beneath?
Like if 3 out of 5 are done.
Yeah, if 3 out of 5 are done, it just closes.
It just
It
closes.
just does none. Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, I still need to do that. But let's focus on the notification first. So
See if that works.
when the action's pressed, in here we want to set a notification.
Send a notification.
Okay. So what is that?
It says send notification. Let's see. I can just send you this, but I don't know that this is actually it.
Yeah, hit me up.
You might get more of it out of than I do. It looks like we have the center. We've got to set up the notification center, and then we've got to get the content of the notification, and then sending the request. Setting the trigger to nil, I'm assuming, is the trick to have it go off right away.
Looks like it, yeah.
And then in the action handler, it's just running this.
Yeah, one thing is we can't run async, like an await in here.
Yeah. So hopefully it just doesn't need it.
Yeah, I just tried putting it into a task. So let's see what happens. Okay, I'm gonna try to send this notification. And the primary button's tapped. Which I don't see it. Let me try. So it succeeds, but I don't see it.
You didn't see it come in?
No.
Well, there won't.
So I'm creating the content.
Where would it come in at? Where would we see it?
It should be just. Yeah, it says success.
Oh, that's all we need. We're not going to actually see the notification, right? Is that what you're looking for?
Yeah, I just don't know if. Okay, so yeah, is the idea we
Because we
post this
haven't
notification?
asked for permission on notification or anything.
Yeah.
But this way, Eat the Elephant, if it gets if it subscribes to the notification center and gets a notification, then it knows to open the focus mode.
Yeah. So how do we do that?
How do you grab it?
Yeah.
I think you just don't you just subscribe to the notification center?
Hmm.
I don't know exactly how to subscribe to it, but interesting. We might not be able to subscribe to it. I'm seeing we can know when the user taps the notification. I'm also seeing we can know when the notification is delivered while the app is in the foreground.
Hopefully, we might be in the foreground at this point.
Huh. Yeah, interesting.
Okay, I'm gonna try some stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna try to see when the app is in the foreground, will receive the notification here. And I'm going to try to open up a new notification, which we should hopefully receive within our root task view here, which will set focus the app. This will be crazy when it works. Which it didn't yet. I'm wondering need this to be after. Which is kind of weird. Oh, it's always weird to do that. Oh.
Ooh.
What the heck, dude?
See if they'll do it again.
Holy crap.
Yeah. That's it, dude.
How does that work? That's crazy.
I don't know.
I kind of did not think it was gonna work, to be honest.
I didn't doubt you. I didn't doubt it.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Just have it started. Just have the task started. Set that bool to true.
Start the task. Okay.
Just you click start task and it goes boom, boom, boom. Timer starts counting. There's no reason not to.
Okay, let's do this. You ready?
And then like what do we even have left if this all works now?
Oh, you just need to clean it all up. Boom.
Mm,
Okay.
you did something backwards. Starting the task for some reason closed it.
Let's try one more. Yeah. Did it
But
really?
now click wait, go back. Click start task. Oh, it does just start. Huh. So why is that closing it?
Let's see. What are we doing here? With animation.
Yeah, sets focus session to now. It's a pending though. Okay.
Okay, work now. Maybe we can't have any animation.
I mean, that's fine. And then if you hit pause, it pauses. Everything else then works.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's slick. Yeah, that's great. What I was thinking of doing for when you click done, I don't know how we would do a Rive thing unless Rive was handling like that entire little stack.
Oh,
Like Rive would have to handle that whole little stack of stuff. And then like text sizes and stuff, I don't know how like changeable that would be. With like accessibility and stuff.
what if, like, yeah, it would be cool if it, like, just came straight from it. But what if we just disappeared this whole stack and then appeared, like, test and marked that out? I don't know. Does that make sense? Like,
Mm.
I do see, like, where it'd be cool to have the animation come from where it's at now on the screen, but
Yeah, but
we
it could
could
just
just,
fade and do its thing, and then
yeah.
I was also thinking test. So strike through, like striking through the line, is not animatable,
Hmm.
but you could like flicker it on and off, so there could be kind of like a little glitch, like
Sorry, I was talking to Sarah. Go
no,
ahead.
you're good. So strike through animation is not animatable, but we can turn it on and off. So we could do kind of like a glitch effect where it like and it's like check, uncheck, check, uncheck, check, uncheck, and then it checks and it like goes opacity
Hmm.
and then just disappears. And then the next one types in.
Okay. All in
Because like
Rive.
we already have the type in animation, so it seems like it'd be cool to use that. And I mean, I know there's a way to do that in Rive, but I think it would take me longer to figure out than if we just used our one we already have working.
Oh, true. Yeah, that makes sense.
So I don't know. That's what I was thinking. I was looking up some code for like a little glitch effect. I'm curious what it does. So we can work on that another night.
Okay. Dang, dude. Yeah, I'm gonna add all the stuff.
Stuff's working, dude.
Stuff's
Okay, well
working.
we can end there. I'm gonna go to bed.
Yeah, same.
This
I'm
is
dead.
excellent though. Way to go.
Dude, way to go on you. I did not think that was gonna work, to be honest, but it's working.
Do you think we have enough to submit it to the App Store?
I bet, yeah. It might
Just
be.
we're not gonna we don't have to launch it, but just see if they say pending your approval or if they say nah.
Yeah, dude, do you want to add screenshots?
Yeah, I mean literally I think I'll just take screenshots.
Yeah, if you go through, you have access to it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can add any of these builds. So I'll kind of let you set it up. And that way, in the meantime, I can clean up the code and make sure everything's good.
Okay. Yeah, we don't have to do that tonight, but yeah, I'm thinking if we just submit it, then we could see what they say.
Yeah. No, I'm super down. Yeah, like, yeah, we just need to submit it.
But not launch it until we get some of the other stuff done. Okay.
We also
Sounds
need to
good.
get the keyboard demo.
Yeah.
Have you downloaded it on Test Flight?
Oh no.
Let me make sure you're invited.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, we have a bunch of these just little apps. That'd be cool to put out.
Yeah, it'll be fun. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go to bed.
Okay. Way to go. Thanks.
See you guys. Bye.
Bye.